Okay, we've got this question here. 3 to the power of 10 equals 9 to the x all inside the bracket all squared. Now I've got to find the value of x. Okay, so I've got x right in here and I've got to find that value of x that's going to make solve that equation and make that equal. Now when I look at the bases of these, I've got 3 and I've got 9. So just looking at that, I'm saying, well, I can change the 9 equals 3 squared. So I can make everything to a base of 3. So that's your first thing to do. So I'm going to rewrite this as 3 to the 10 equals 3 squared to the power of x, and that's all to the power of 2. Now, we've got an index law, which is a to the m all to the n equals a to the m times n. So whenever you've got a power of a power, sort of like that, then you're going to be multiplying the two powers together. Now that happens a couple of times. When we look at this, this happens with the 2 and the x, okay? And it also happens, so we could write that 3 to the 10 equals 3 to the 2 times x is 2x, and that's all to the power of 2, which again we could multiply the 2x and the 2 because it's going to be the same relationship there. So we're going to get 3 to the 10 equals 3 to the 4x. Okay, so that's the hard bit, because once the bases are the same, then and they're equal to each other, and it's just like that, it's simple, then that and that have to be equal. The powers have to be equal to make them equal. So we're going to rewrite that as, therefore, I'm going to put the x on the left hand side, so 4x equals 10. It's the same as 10 equals 4x. So now I've got to solve that. I'm timesing by 4, so I'm going to go x equals 10 divided by 4, and x is going to equal 10 divided by 4 is going to be 2.5. Alright, so to solve all of that, our final answer is going to be x equals 2.5.